Well, good morning, family. Back to share another update on what I'm doing today as food-wise. Well, what you're looking at is some delicious oatmeal cranberry cookies. What, Janita? You eating wheat, cranberries, and oats? What's going on here? Well, it's not for me. My husband, he wanted these cookies, so I had to make them. So these are his. He's going to enjoy these when he gets back from work. Just want to share that little thing. Put a little of what he's enjoying, what kind of foods he's still enjoying on my little video, in my video. I'll be back to share what I'm going to eat this morning. Hello, family. I'm sharing something that I'm nibbling on this morning for a little breakfast. I made some delicious avocado. Instead of potato salad, it's avocado salad. In my mind, it's very delicious. As far as seasonings, lemon juice, celery seed, a little salt, and some dill weed. I did put a dash of plain chili powder. And the flavor for me is delicious. Because sensitive stomach, I am getting used to bland or really close to bland eating, which is very soothing for my stomach, my gut. So I also boiled some eggs, removed the yolk, and I stuffed them with some of my avocado potato salad. So yummy for a light little breakfast. Well, anyway, I'm also going to be having some baked green apples, which I told you when I bake them, they're mushy, and I love the applesauce that comes out of them. So, and I also had this morning earlier a small tangerine for a little orange juice, some orange juice. And that's about it. These foods aren't bothering me. And that's about it. One thing I want to share about yesterday's meal, I think because 3 things were added into that chicken soup that I have not normally been eating or using that much or at all, was the coconut aminos, eggplant, and that garlic. I know this is kind of personal, have a little gas, so just sharing my experience. Maybe some of you all might experience that, but I'm gonna have to eliminate which one it is. I have to do them one at a time, but that'll be in the future to find out which one exactly, you know, was causing me to have gas. So, like I said, the last few days I haven't had any gas, which gas is normal, a little slight gas. It was a little slight gas, but like I said, with the squash and the other little stuff I've been eating, was fine, except for that day when I told y'all about that spinach. Oh, heck to the heck, no anymore with that spinach. But anyway, family, just wanted to share my little yummy little meal that I'm about to enjoy, and another gut meal video. And I guess that's about all. If you guys hear some ticking in the background, that's the timer, because I was baking my apples and I needed to know how long. I'm baking them for a certain amount of time, and I use my timer. Well, anyway, I want to thank everybody that's been sharing their sensitive gut issues with me. It's very supportive input, and I appreciate it. If anyone else has problems, just share them in the comments. Let's help each other. I know we're not doctors, but somebody has a little bit more experience that what foods you're eating, with vegetables, especially maybe some alkaline vegetables. Anyone can recommend some alkaline vegetables? Or do you have any issues with apple cider vinegar or coconut aminos? Do you get gas from eggplant or, well, garlic and onion? Share your comments. Share in the comments. This is what I'm doing for now. You know I'm gonna move on to something else in a minute, because my crafting, like Spider-Man, my I don't have spidey senses, but I have a crafting senses are tingling, and I want to do some crafting, and I want to get back out there on my little garden, do my little gardening, and whatever else I'm throwing at y'all. It's all kind of stuff on my channel, as you guys can see. I was an artist at a while. I was a painter. I was crafting. Now I'm cooking. I'm disgusting my gut. It's a little issues, you know. It's okay. But anyway, I appreciate all of y'all for your input, your supportive input, and I appreciate it. And thank you very much. And family, thanks for the continuous support of watching and enjoying my videos. This is how we can communicate. We're far away from each other. Love y'all. Bye for now.